Have you ever wondered why only a select few seem to possess a mysterious edge in the business world? Some call it luck, while others say it's fate. But what if I told you there's a hidden story that not everyone can see? Enter the realm of business automation. Now, don't get me wrong. Automation has been helpful because it has leveled the playing field and made dreams come true. Just like any other tool, though, its power rests on the wielder. Rumor has it, a mere 1% have mastered automation to such an extent that it's not just about efficiency. It's about control. They say this elite group can predict how the market will move, control what consumers want, and even change what happens on a global scale. It's all as easy as pressing a button. Conspiracy? Could be. But give it some thought. The right information at the right time is being handled at speeds that are hard to believe. It's the best string for a magician. Automation. But wait, there's more. As more people can use technology, what will happen when more of us join that 1%? When we have those strings too. The balance changes. The field of play changes. The point is not to be afraid of automation or the people who are said to be puppeteers. Instead, use its power for good. Learn more about it and make it more accessible to everyone. In this information age, knowing things isn't just powerful, it frees you up. In the vast theater of business, who truly pulls the strings? Since time immemorial, commerce has evolved, but the puppeteers? Well, they've always existed behind curtains of secrecy. Fast forward to today and the strings have transformed. They're now lines of code, algorithms, and digital interfaces. So in this age of business automation, who's at the helm? Who's the modern puppeteer? Is it the tech giants with their unparalleled resources? Or rogue hackers in dimly lit basements? Some say the puppeteers are among us. Startups with groundbreaking innovations, thinkers who dare to dream. But what if the answer is more profound? What if the puppeteer is you? Every time you use an app, make a digital purchase, or even stream a song, you feed the machine, shaping its next move. As automation tools become more open to everyone, it's not just about who uses them, but how they're used. And the collective we have a role to play. So, in this grand spectacle of business automation, As the lines blur between the puppet and puppeteer, the real question is, how will you influence the show? In the digital age, the strings might be invisible, but they're very much in your hands. So what story will you weave?